that I never put an extra effort until my hair were extremely frizzy last year. That's when I started learning about hair care theory, how important it is to maintain our scalp health, and how important it is to moisturize our hair and to get healthy looking hair. That's when I started experimenting with different products. After trial and error for an entire year, my hair currently looks like this, and I'm telling you, they were completely damaged last year. So these were some of the products that saved my hair and make them look the way they look right now. So I'm gonna share all these products step by step of usage. So let's start with the very first product, which is a hair oil. Now hair oil plays a very important part in taking care of your hair, but hair oil is the basic and the most important thing that you need to do in order to get beautiful long hair. So the hair oil that I've been using for like a year now is this one from Mystic. This is a peppermint and rosemary infused hair oil. It relaxes and calms your nerves and also help with your hair regrowth. So I am able to grow my hair 3 inches, and currently I have like so many baby hairs coming because of that oil. If you can see, I have like a lot of baby hairs. It also helps in controlling the hair fall problem as well. So this is a really good hair oil to go for. So this is the product that I use on my scalp, but I use a different product on my hair ends, which is from Minimalist. It's their Malic Bond Repair Complex 5%. This is the second bottle that I'm using, and I'm like almost done with this one as well. This makes your hair feel so smooth and frizz free. Like currently you can see my hair. I've styled my hairs like 5 days back, and this is my hair situation right now. There is no frizz, nothing, and I didn't style my hair. So all of these products are really good in giving you that frizz free hair feeling, like your hair are so smooth. It smells so good after using all this product. So this is the product that is really that if you are struggling with frizzy hair and unmanageable dehydrated dry hair ends, go for this product. You will not gonna regret. Like you can see my hair ends, there is no dryness, nothing you can see, and this one is really good in dealing with that. So this is the pre-shampoo routine that I do. Now coming to our shampoo, I always told you that it is really important to have a clarifying shampoo in your routine. So the clarifying shampoo that I have been loving is from K18. Now some of these hair products are a little bit expensive, but they work, so I keep on repurchasing them. So this one is the hair shampoo that I've been loving. This is a clarifying shampoo. You only need to use this twice a month, and this detox shampoo help in clarifying your scalp, and it prevent your hair from excess buildup. So this is a really good clarifying shampoo. Next up we have is hair mask. I don't use conditioners, I use hair mask instead because I want to use my product on my scalp as well. And conditioners you can only use in your hair length and not onto your scalp, and I prefer mask over conditioner because they work for me. So I have 2 masks that I've been loving, I've been obsessed lately. So first one is the Amica Soul Food hair mask. I don't remember the prices of most of these products, so I'm gonna insert the prices on the screen. This is like a 500 ml of mask. This is a really good hair mask. It smells so good. It makes your hair smell so good. Oh, it is such a luxurious fragrance, and it feels very luxurious on the hair. It makes your hair feel so smooth, so manageable. It works as an anti-frizz as well. So all of these products that I'm talking about, they are my absolute favorite, and I've been using them for quite a long time. That is why I'm recommending these products to you. So this hair mask, it's a 500 ml. It lasts quite a long time. So this is how much I've used, and only a little bit is left in this one. This is my favorite hair mask. And another one that I'm going to talk about is also my favorite, which is from Japanese Beauty. This is the Fino Premium Touch Hair Mask. It smells again so good. Oh my god, it smells like an expensive salon, and it makes your hair feel so shiny and so smooth. So I use this hair mask specifically when I'm going out somewhere and I want my hair to look extra manageable, extra shiny and extra smooth. This is the hair mask that I go for. I purchased this one from a local vendor, TNT, which is a Korean and Japanese store in my locality. This one was again a very viral product, and I've been loving this. Oh my god, it smells so good, and I've used this much only by now. I've been loving this product. and you just need the tiniest amount of this, so I don't think it is that expensive, but it is so worth your money. So good. I love this product. This is like my everyday mask that I use every single time I wash my hair. This is like my special occasion mask. After washing my hair, let's come to hairstyling. I've been loving this L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil. This is not expensive at all. I got it for like $7. Very inexpensive, I feel like. And it's 100 ml of bottle. Even I need 2 drops of this for my hair length. It lasts quite a long time because we need tiniest amount of this. This makes your hair very manageable. It controls the frizz if you have very frizzy hair. It works as a heat protectant as well. It is like amazing all-in-one post shampoo hair product. And if you're looking for a new serum or hair oil to try, this is the one you should go for. And last up on our list is a hairstyling product that I've been using for like a year now, and this is my second bottle. This also smells so good. This one is from Be Blunt. It's their salon like hair hot shot heat protectant spray. So this is really important if you want to protect your hair from heat damage. It works perfectly for that. I didn't get any split ends, and I've been using heat like every other week. So if you are using heat without using a heat protectant, then you usually get split ends and then you have to cut your hair. So it's better to use a heat protectant. This is the one I've been using. I've been loving this one. I got it from India. This one was for like 500-600 rupees. It's a 150 ml of packaging. It's been quite a long time since I've been using this product. I have still a little bit of left. So if first of all, this smells so good. So your hair smell like this only for at least 2-3 days. That is the best part about this product. And it protects your hair from heat damage very well. I love using this product whenever I'm styling my hair. So that was all that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.